Hey guys, today I want to show you on how to use some textures from my Trashy Texture Pack number 4 and coming to this this image, going from here to this, right? And I'm using Affinity Photo 2, but you easily could use some softwares that support a layer and layer effects, just like Procreate or Photoshop or whatever. So, okay, I already selected some textures here, as you see, and I want to use them and to create this final image here. Already prepared this one, so I don't want to go into detail on why I did that or that, so that's not important for now. So, okay, let's add some textures here, and just drag and drop it, but of course, you could also go here to place the images, but drag and drop, of course, it's easier. So, and what I'm showing you here is that I just using 2 layer effects here. So one is the multiply and one is the screen. And the difference here is that everything what's white, and if you set it to multiply, it will get transparent. And if you have screen, then black will be transparent. So for now, I set it here on screen. That's good. I like it. Yeah. So I add another texture here. So just put it here, whatever, and set it to multiply this time. So, okay, nice. So, and I want to add some more trashy effects, like here in that area, but this time in white color, and I select another texture here, this one. Let's resize it first a little bit, so this way. So, and my goal is now to have everything what's black, I want to have that in white. So it's not really possible with the layer effects, because if you set it on multiply, it always gets black somehow, or as you can see, it's some kind of inverted. So I need to invert the texture first, that everything that is black now will be white and everything that's white will be black. That's easy to do because you can just switch here on the adjustments and set the image to invert, or that's it's an adjustment layer that is on that. I will connect this together. So as you can hear, I now see here, now have that in white. And as easy as it is, you just need to set it on to screen. And so the layer will get transparent again, what is black, and so that is on white. I will just duplicate it, rotate it, put that again, and put everything, the layer, below my black 4 here. So this layer around. Perfect. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.